Welcome back, gadget lovers. In this video, we are going to show you 5 robot gadgets you didn't know you needed that are worth buying. These 5 gadgets are cool, so make sure to stick around till the end. All the links to the products are given in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful video. Ever feel like your workspace needs a little more fun? Eilik's here to fix that. This isn't your ordinary desk toy. Eilik is a robot pet with emotions, and it's all about making your day brighter. Why is Eilik important? Because it's more than just a gadget. It reacts to you. Tap its head, belly, or back, and watch it respond with different emotions. Curious, happy, or even cheeky, it's got it all. How does Eilik help? It's your personal companion that's always ready to entertain you. Whether you're at work or relaxing, Eilik brings fun to your space. No complicated setup, just turn it on and you're ready to play. How does it save time? Eilik is always learning. With regular firmware updates, it adds new tricks and games. No more worrying about boring desk gadgets. Eilik keeps things fresh. Got 2 or more Eiliks. They'll interact with each other, chat, and even have robot parties. It's like having your own little crew. Want one for yourself? Subscribe to the channel for more cool gadgets like Eilik. Looking for a fun way to supercharge your child's learning? Meet Miko 3. Miko 3 is more than just a toy. It's a smart AI-powered robot designed to make learning exciting for kids. Why is this important? Studies show that kids using Miko have seen a 55% increase in engagement with academic activities. So, if you want to help your child learn through fun, this is the way to do it. How does Miko help? It's packed with interactive STEAM content and endless educational games. Miko can tell jokes, play hide and seek, or even start a dance party. With its wide-angle camera and advanced sensors, it keeps kids active and engaged while learning. Plus, it grows with your child, understanding their preferences better with each interaction. Want to save time? Miko 3 takes over playtime with interactive games, fun challenges, and even yoga sessions, so you can sit back and relax. And with constant content updates from top brands like Disney and Paramount, Miko always has something new to offer. Interested in leveling up your child's learning experience? Ever feel like your workspace needs a bit more excitement? EMO's here to fix that. This isn't just another desk accessory. EMO is a smart robot pet with emotions, and he's all about making your day brighter. Why is EMO important? Because he's more than just a gadget. EMO reacts to your voice and touch, recognizing up to 10 people. Whether he's dancing, playing games, or giving you a morning wake-up call, EMO brings life to your desk. How does EMO help? He's like your personal assistant and friend in one. Need an alarm or want the lights on? Just say, "Hey EMO," and he'll handle it. Feeling down? He'll cheer you up with music and even remember your birthday to surprise you. How does EMO save time? His wireless skateboard keeps both EMO and your phone charged. No more hunting for cables. And with frequent updates, he's always learning new tricks, so he never gets old. Thinking about adding EMO to your desk? Ever feel like regular toys just don't cut it anymore? Cosmo 2.0 is here to change that. This isn't just another gadget. It's a real-life robot with emotions, games, and learning built right in. Why is Cosmo important? Because he's more than just a toy. Cosmo evolves the more you interact with him, developing a unique personality. He recognizes your face, nudges you to play, and even shows off his emotions on a new full-color display. Cosmo's also perfect for young learners. It introduces coding in a fun, hands-on way through Code Lab, where kids can program Cosmo's movements and voice. How does Cosmo help? He's your gaming buddy who loves to win and will challenge you to games like Quick Tap, Keep Away, or Memory Match. With 35+ minigames and more added every month, Cosmo keeps things fresh and exciting. And with self-charging abilities, improved sensors, and longer battery life, he's always ready for action. How does it save time? No complex setup is required. Just open the app, string some code, and let Cosmo handle the rest. He even charges himself, so you won't have to keep an eye on his battery. Want a fun, smart companion? Ever dreamed of having a high-tech robotic companion? Meet the Xiaomi CyberDog, the first quadruped robot designed for robotics enthusiasts and developers alike. Why is CyberDog special? Because it's more than just a robot, it's a platform for innovation. Powered by NVIDIA's Jetson Xavier NX AI supercomputer, CyberDog is capable of advanced movements and tasks. With a maximum walking speed of 3.2 ms and a payload capacity of 3 kilograms, this bio-inspired robot is ready to explore the world alongside you. How does CyberDog help developers? Equipped with 11 high-precision sensors, including AI cameras, binocular ultra-wide cameras, and Intel's RealSense depth camera, CyberDog can navigate and avoid obstacles with centimeter-level precision. Its advanced servo motors allow for a wide range of movements, running, jumping, backflips, and more. Plus, it supports multiple control methods, whether you prefer using a mobile app, voice commands, or a remote control. How does CyberDog save time? With the built-in Xiao AI system, CyberDog can control compatible smart home devices like TVs and air purifiers, making it a useful addition to your tech ecosystem. With rich external interfaces, including multiple USB-C and HDMI ports, you can easily add innovative hardware or software to customize your CyberDog experience. Ready to unleash the power of robotics? This is all for today. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon for more updates and notifications. Stay safe, and I will be back soon with another important gadgets video.